Hey everyone, is your mouse lagging or stuttering on Windows 11? Don't worry, I've got some simple fixes for you. First, let's start with an easy fix. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. On the left side, click Bluetooth and Devices, and then on the right, select Mouse. Now turn off the option that says Scroll in active windows when hovering over them. That's it. This should solve the problem for most of you. If the issue persists, don't worry, I have another solution. Right-click the Start button again, and this time, select Run. Type main.cpl and press OK. A new window will pop up. Head to the Pointer Options tab and make sure Display Pointer Trails is unchecked. Once done, click Apply, and then OK. This should help improve your mouse performance. If your mouse is still acting up, let's try one more fix. Search for Device Manager and open it. In Device Manager, find Mice and other pointing devices and double-click it. Now, right-click your mouse driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Once the update is complete, restart your PC. And there you go. Your mouse should be working smoothly again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.